Yeah.
That's incredible.
What do you think you could sell it for?
So, well, I don't know. It depends on how big of a deal the wetlands is. But the comps in the area were selling for, over $1 million for sure.
Yeah.
And that's what the attorney said to me when I sent him the contract. He said, I don't understand why someone would discount a property over $1 million and sell it to you. And I said, you don't need to understand, just put it in escrow.
Something that came up in
Why do they do that? Why are you trying to wreck my deal? Get out of the way.
Carl, if you want me to refer, if this attorney is a problem at all, like my title company in Florida is fantastic, and they don't
Really?
They're awesome. So let me know if you want a referral. I'm happy to do that.
I'm probably gonna take you up on that. Plus, I think we're gonna come down there anyway, so I'm gonna meet up with you, Josiah.
Nice.
Josiah and I messaged inbox message, and he's in the same kind of area where we're frequent, regardless. So.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, let me know. I'll send an email intro.
I appreciate that.
This is why we're all here right now.